In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Klarna one-time card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do to use a Klarna one-time payment card is open up the Klarna app and shop in any store you want. As long as you are shopping inside of the app, you should have the Pay with K or Pay with Klarna button somewhere along your screen, usually at the bottom. Once you shop, you add items to your shopping cart, and you are satisfied with the purchase you want to make, select that button. You will get a prompt that allows you to include the specific amount that you want to spend. So as you can see on the screen, let's say I want to buy these $150 white sneakers. I simply have to include $150 as the amount, and Klarna will generate a card that I can use. That card will be automatically deleted after 24 hours if it isn't used, and I will be able to use it for the one-time payment I'm trying to make. As soon as it's created, I can go back to the shopping store I was in and buy it from my shopping cart. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Klarna one-time card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.